Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a product that's been popping up a lot online lately, the Mivo Dashcam Pro. It's being marketed as one of the UK's top-rated dashcams, with big promises like front and rear 4K recording, enhanced night vision, 24/7 loop recording, and even claims that it's approved as evidence by UK insurance companies. On paper, it sounds like a perfect dashcam for anyone who wants full protection on the road. But the real question people are asking is simple. Is the Mivo Dashcam Pro actually legit, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's go through the details and see what really stands out. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. One of the biggest red flags is the claim of true 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras. In reality, genuine dual-channel 4K dashcams are rare and usually very expensive, often made by well-known brands with clearly listed sensors and technical specs. On the Mivo Dashcam Pro website, there's no information about the camera sensor, video bitrate, or how the 4K recording is actually achieved. Without these details, there's a real possibility that the footage is upscaled rather than true native 4K, which means the quality may not be as sharp as advertised. Another concern is the claim of 24/7 parking or loop recording. Continuous recording while a car is parked typically requires hardwiring the dashcam to the vehicle or using an external battery pack. The website doesn't clearly explain how the dashcam is powered when the engine is off or how it avoids draining the car's battery. When important technical explanations like this are missing, it raises questions about whether the feature works as claimed or is just marketing language. Transparency is also a major issue here. Important information such as a clear About Us page, full contact details, and easy-to-find refund or privacy policies are either missing or very difficult to locate. This makes it hard to know who is actually behind the product and how customers can get help if something goes wrong after purchase. The reviews and ratings shown on the website are another red flag. The page displays impressive numbers like a 4.7-star rating and over 14,000 satisfied customers, along with logos from major media outlets. However, there are no direct links to verified Trustpilot reviews or independent platforms that confirm these ratings. When you search outside the website, there's little to no real customer feedback available. Showing media logos without proof or links is a common tactic used to build trust quickly, even when there's no actual coverage. Pricing deserves attention. The Mivo Dashcam Pro is sold at a heavily discounted price, showing a high original price crossed out to create urgency. This kind of aggressive discounting is often used on questionable sites. What's more interesting is that very similar dashcams appear on wholesale platforms like Alibaba for a much lower price, sometimes around £20, while the Mivo Dashcam Pro is sold for well over £100. This suggests a possible dropshipping model with a large markup and no clear explanation of what makes this version special. Finally, the product descriptions themselves are quite generic. Phrases like crystal clear recording and enhanced night vision sound good, but there are no concrete specs, such as supported micro SD card size, exact resolution for each camera, or detailed performance data. When a tech product avoids specifics, it's usually a sign to be cautious. So, is the Mivo Dashcam Pro legit or a scam? Based on the unrealistic 4K claims, lack of transparency, unverifiable reviews, aggressive pricing tactics, and vague technical details, there are definitely several red flags to be aware of. That doesn't automatically mean every unit won't work. It does mean buyers should be very careful, do their own research, and avoid relying solely on the website's promises.